So now we're going to hear the next presenter coming from Astaqc Consulting. Let's invite her in the stage.
Okay, I guess you can hear me.
Oh, yes, perfect.
Okay, I'll just share my screen. Give me a second, please.
Sure.
I guess you can see the screen, right?
Yep, it's perfect.
Okay, so I'll start. So I represent Astaqc for the category of service excellence. Uh, what we do, we've been working in the software testing service industry since last 2.5 years. At Astaqc, we provide independent and managed testing services that covers your testing for the product right from the inception phase to the production deployment. That means whenever you go, you have an idea, we help you finalize that, visualize that, and we then help you through the phases of development before you go live and after you go live as well. So we do cover all the phases of testing for your product. So talking about our audience, we generally cater to small and mid-sized software development companies or vendors who are working on new projects. We also help startups validate their ideas and be there with them while they hire or work with their development teams. And this helps them in reducing their costs on development, redevelopment, and saves them from the ideas failing in the production or after going live. So we help them reduce their costs on all these activities by providing an experienced software testing team, which has exposure to the product that they are working on or have experience in that particular domain. And talking about why people choose us or why they should be working with us. So we've been in this market before registering as a company. We've been working as consultants since 2015, and we start with analyzing your documents. That gives us an idea what you're trying to achieve, and then helping you validate your idea by giving you different by talking to you from different perspective. And we in this process have developed rapid testing strategies that is supported by the test frameworks that we have designed, and these test frameworks work according to your requirements and the stack that you basically choose to work with. And this in turn helps the client or the development company seamlessly integrate our testing platform within their existing stack. So, talking about our achievements, in the law, I mean, since the last 3 years, we've been working with industry leaders from F&B industry, intergovernmental agencies. We have been part of organizations that are rated as Deloitte Fast 500. Our QA team has also been part of healthcare industry, which recently raised 12 million in funding for their support for the COVID-19 research. And now, if we talk about recognitions that we have in market, we are a very small company, and we in this
1 minute left.
sure, thanks for reminding. So in this 3 years, we have been rated as number one software testing company in the Mumbai region. That's a metropolitan city in India, and we are also part of the market leaders in top software quality assurance companies rated by Clutch. And if I talk about our goals, we are working towards helping more startups in the coming year. And we basically are a remote first organization where we work with consultants, and our team resides in almost all part of the world. We have people working from Europe, we have people working from Africa, Nigeria, Lagos to be specific. We have people working from US, and of course Asian continent as well. So our goal basically is to expand in the Oceania market by having people working there to help support the startups and development companies there. That's about it mainly. And I'd like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity to present and represent our company here. So, if you have
Great.
any questions.
So we can now proceed with the questions. Is there any question from our judges for Mr. Pandi? So if there's no question from our judges, let me just ask Mr. Pandi, can you briefly explain what sets you apart from your competitors?
So most of our competitors do reach out to us. The reason being, we have been working on testing frameworks that cater to your particular needs. So we invest a lot on our technology. We invest on improving our testing strategies and framework. Thus, a lot of our competitors reach us for providing services to their clients. So that has helped us, and that in itself has been a great achievement for us.
Perfect. So thank you very much, Mr. Pandi, for your presentation, and we wish you good luck.
Thanks a lot again for giving me this opportunity.
All right, everyone. It seems that a s- there's a technical problem that the chat box has been missing right now. But for us to proceed, I would like to encourage everyone that is presenting for Group 3